Hi, why don't you come on over? Today I want to talk to you about prescription marijuana and smoking it or taking it while you're in New York State. Hi, why don't you come on over? My name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney located in Ithaca, New York. My practice focuses on DWI, DWAI, and other criminal defense type matters. I recently got a phone call from a person that was from New Jersey. They had a medical marijuana card, so they were licensed by prescription to be able to smoke their pot in New Jersey, and they had up to an ounce of pot per month for their medical problems. They were driving in New York, and they got pulled over, and the police officer smelled the pot, had them come out of the car, and right in the bag, right on the front seat, was an ounce of pot, which is a pretty large criminal possession charge in New York State. And they had two questions for me. Number one is they wanted to know if they can get their pot back. That was number one from the police. And number two was, why were they being charged with criminal possession of marijuana when it really wasn't a criminal possession? Well, it wouldn't have been back in their home state, but it was in New York State. Well, New York does not have a medical marijuana law. So people can't use their marijuana in New York State even for medical purposes or medical uses. It's illegal in New York State. Unlike other prescription drugs in all 50 states, you can take your Xanax, your hydrocodone, your Ambien, or any of those other drugs. But prescription marijuana, right now, we only have like 13 states where it's a legal, medically recognized substance. So in answer to both of her questions, number one, she wasn't going to get her pot back because it was illegal in New York State and they were going to destroy it. And number two is she's still going to have to face and deal with the criminal possession of marijuana charges in New York State, which I was going to help her with. If you have questions about your medical marijuana case, your DWI case in upstate New York, you can either give me a call, you can shoot me an email, I'll be more than happy to discuss it with you. And remember, just because you have a license in another state for something doesn't mean you have a license in New York State for that same thing.